morning everybody, it's the 30th of November and it's cold. When I walked to work this morning it was -2 Celsius. It's drying out a bit now because it's got a little bit of sun on it. They've had snow in other parts of the UK. The water butt froze over last night. It certainly is quite fresh. So today's the day I have to do wow, building go off. It's the first time in 13 years. Okay, so today I have got to do the newsletter for everyone tonight. If you haven't signed up for our newsletter, you can do it on our website. You just scroll right to the bottom of any page and it will say, of the home page, and then right at the bottom you can subscribe to it so you can read. That normally goes out at 7 o'clock on the last day of the month. So today, what have I got to do today? I'm basically going to do the newsletter and I'm going to dismantle some bikes this morning and process some wheels. That's my ultimate target, is just to crack on through that so that I can make some time for doing the newsletter for this evening. So without further ado, let's get that kettle on and let's get into it. Okay, so that's me done for this morning. I'm gonna go for lunch, and then this afternoon I'm going to be preparing our newsletter, which takes ages. So that's my plan for this afternoon. I will. So you can read our newsletter. Really easy. You just go to our website and scroll right down, and our newsletter's there. To all our new subscribers over the last 24 hours, welcome to the channel. I hope you're enjoying it. We really love doing these videos, and we hope you find it interesting. If you're watching and not subscribed yet, we'd love it if you came and joined us. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted when we do a new video. Have a wonderful evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.